Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Excel. Microsoft Copilot in Excel helps you analyze data, create formulas, identify trends, and generate insight using natural language. Instead of manually building complex formulas or charts, you can simply describe what you want and let Copilot assist you. Now how to do it. First of all, you need to get yourself the premium version of Copilot. Now, a lot of people may be confused since they have the access to M365 Copilot, but once you go to actual Excel, you will not have the access to it, simply because you don't have the premium version. So click on Copilot, go compare plans, and choose yourself one of these versions of their plans. There's the personal, family, and premium. All of them has Copilot, just some more benefits. So if you don't care really about the benefits, go for the cheapest one, $8 per month, one user, and that's it. Then go ahead and open Excel from the toolbar that you have here, slider toolbar, open it, and here we go. So now what do we have here? We have Excel, and here next to the Acrobat, you should have the Copilot button. This will allow you to click it, and simply Copilot panel will open on the side where you can enter prompt. So it's going to be on the right. Now, literally what you can do with it is to ask plain questions, like in plain English questions. So, for example, you can literally just say, what trend do you see in this data? Because you had a data, create for me a data analyzing sheet. You can literally just put some inputs in here and like 12, and basically you can ask to give the sum of these three numbers that you have in the sheet, etc. And you can create also charts and visualization. Literally, you can literally create anything within Excel just by using the AI model that they have. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.